we are going to see time value of money. People earn money for spending it on housing, clothing, education, entertainment, and etc. Sometimes extra expenditure have also to be met with. For example, there might be a family function, one may want to buy a house and so on. Some people can manage to put aside some money for such expected and unexpected expenditure. The time value of money means that the value of a unity of money is different in a different time period. The sum of money received in future is less value than it is today. The opportunity cost, the lender has a choice between using his money in different investment. The inflation is most economical generally expect inflation. Inflation is a fall in the purchasing power of money. Liquidity is people perform to have their resources available in a form that can be immediately be converted into cash rather than a form that takes time or money to realize. Here we are going to see simple interest. Two types of interest, one is simple interest and one is compound interest. The simple interest is the interest computed on the principal of the entire period of borrowing. It is calculated on the outstanding principal balance. And not on interest previously and it means no interest is paid on interest earned during the term of loan. A is equal to accumulated amount. Otherwise, final value of an investment. And P is equal to principal amount. Otherwise, initial value of an investment. I, small I, equal to annual interest rate. Rate. Capital I, rate in decimal. amount of interest. And T is time in years. So amount of interest, that is equal to P principal, annual interest rate in decimal, and time. Similarly, capital A is equal to, that is accumulated amount or final value of investment, that is equal to P plus I. Already we know that P plus I is equal to PIT. We can write P into 1 plus I into T. Otherwise, capital I we can write A from this equation, I is equal to A minus B. Example, a man deposited rupees 50,000 in a bank for 2 years with the interest rate 5.5 percentage per annum. How much interest would they earn? And what will be the final value of interest? So the request investment amount is given by I is equal to P into I into T. But P is given 50,000 into I is given, I is 5.5 percentage per annum. So 5.5 divided by 100 into they earn in time period 2 years. So this one is 2. So it's calculated. This value is 5,500. So final value of the investment A we can write A is equal to P into 1 plus I into T. So that is equal to 2001 plus I is 5.5 by 100 into 2, that is 50,000. This 5.5 into 2, that is 11 by 100, that is 1 plus 11 by 100. This value is equal to 500 55,500. Another example, the sum of 46,875 was lent out at simple interest and at the end of and at the end of 1 year 8 months, the total amount was 50,000. Find the rate of interest percent per annum. Solution. We know that final amount is equal to P into 1 plus IT, but final amount given 50,000, that is equal to P is 46,875, 1 plus I into 1 year 8 months. So 1 year 8 months. So that is equal to 2000 by 46,875, that is equal to 1 plus 5 by 3 I, 5 by 3 into I. So this one we can write this value is 1.067. This one comes here is minus 1. This cross multiplication 3 by 5 equal to I. So I is equal to 0.04. That means rate at 4%. Another example. What sum of money will produce 28,600 as an interest in 3 years and 3 months at 2.5% per annum simple interest. So here just find the value of P. So from this equation I is equal to P into I into T. So I given 28,600 equal to P into I, that is 2.5 by 100, 2.5% per annum into 3 years 3 months. So 3 into 3 by 12, that is equal to 28,600, that is equal to use calculator, this one 32.5 by 400 into P. So P is equal to 28,600 into 400 by 32.5. So P is equal to 3,52,000. So 3,52,000 will produce rupees 28,600 interest in 3 years and 3 months at 2.5% per annum simple interest.